Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of olive oil. Did you know there are actually some foods you should never pair it with? Certain combinations can mess with your digestion or create a culinary disaster. So, if you're ready to become an olive oil expert and avoid some common food pairing faux pas, keep those eyes glued right here. Alright, let's get started. First on our list of no-goes for olive oil is dairy. Dairy products are already pretty heavy, and when you add olive oil to the mix, it can slow down your digestion. This can lead to bloating and stomach cramps. So next time you're enjoying a cheesy pasta or a creamy soup, maybe skip the olive oil. Instead, try adding some fresh herbs, a sprinkle of pepper, or even a squeeze of lemon juice for a burst of flavor. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, you're telling me I can't even use olive oil for frying? And you're right to be surprised. Olive oil has a relatively low smoke point, meaning it starts to break down and release harmful chemicals at lower temperatures. Using olive oil for frying can affect the taste of your food and be harmful to your health. Stick with oils that have a higher smoke point, like avocado oil, coconut oil, or peanut oil. They'll give you that crispy, golden goodness without compromising on taste or your well-being. Olive oil isn't ideal for any type of high-heat cooking. When olive oil gets too hot, it starts to break down, releasing harmful chemicals and losing its beneficial properties. Nobody wants to ruin a perfectly good steak or stir-fry with the bitter taste of burnt olive oil. Opt for oils that can handle the heat, like avocado oil, coconut oil, and ghee. They'll let you achieve those beautiful caramelized crusts and smoky flavors without compromising the quality of your food. Now let's talk about herbs. Fresh herbs can brighten up any dish, but pairing them with olive oil isn't always a match made in culinary heaven. Olive oil has a robust flavor that can overpower delicate herbs like basil, parsley, or cilantro. Instead of enhancing their natural goodness, the olive oil ends up masking their subtle aromas. Spicy foods in olive oil. Proceed with caution. While some people enjoy a drizzle of olive oil on their spicy dishes, it's not always the best idea. Olive oil can intensify the heat of chili peppers and other spicy ingredients. For those with a more delicate palate, it can be a recipe for disaster. Instead of adding richness, the olive oil amplifies the heat, turning your meal into a fiery inferno. If you're not a fan of extreme heat, skip the olive oil when cooking with chilies. Olive oil and sweet treats, a recipe for disaster. The strong, savory flavor of olive oil doesn't belong in cakes, cookies, and pastries. Imagine taking a bite of a decadent chocolate cake only to be met with the distinct taste of olive oil. When it comes to desserts, stick with ingredients that complement the sweetness like butter or vanilla extract. Let's save the olive oil for savory dishes where it truly shines. Raw vegetables and olive oil, not always a match made in heaven. While olive oil complements roasted or grilled vegetables, it can clash with the delicate flavors of certain raw vegetables. Take cucumbers, for example. Their cool, refreshing flavor can be overpowered by the strong taste of olive oil. The same goes for mild-flavored veggies like lettuce, celery, or bell peppers. Instead of enhancing their natural goodness, the olive oil masks their subtle flavors. Processed foods and olive oil, canceling out the goodness. Processed foods are often loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Some people think adding olive oil to processed snacks makes them healthier, but it's not that simple. The health benefits of olive oil can be negated when combined with unhealthy components of processed foods. Instead of trying to healthify processed foods with olive oil, focus on incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet. That's where the real magic happens. And there you have it. 8 foods you might want to think twice about pairing with olive oil. Olive oil is a wonderful, healthy fat, but it's all about balance and using it in a way that complements your food. If you enjoyed these surprising food facts, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and informative content. Thanks for watching.